Hi friends! Let me start by saying this. Fashion is more than just clothes. It's an attitude. It's a mindset. It's about owning your style and stepping out into the world as the woman you are destined to be. And today, we're going to talk about something that can change the way you look at fashion forever. Something that will not only elevate your style, but also make the world a better place. I'm talking about sustainable fashion. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Barbie, you wear all the best outfits, aren't you the queen of high fashion? And you're right. I've got the closet to prove it. But here's the thing. I've learned that fashion doesn't have to be wasteful. It doesn't have to harm the planet. And it certainly doesn't have to compromise style. Sustainable fashion is about making smarter, better choices for yourself, for your wardrobe, and for the world we live in. Let me tell you something. Sustainability isn't a trend, it's a movement. And trust me, you're going to want to be part of it. Not just because it's good for the environment, but because it's also good for you. When you align yourself with something bigger than your wardrobe, when you choose to make conscious choices about your style, you start to transform not only your closet, but your whole mindset. So, how do we do it? How do we mix style with sustainability? First, let me tell you this. It's all about mindset. Just like Barbie always says, you've got to start by believing in yourself. And when you believe in yourself, you believe in the world around you. You believe that your choices matter. Because they do. Buy less. Choose wisely. You don't need a closet full of clothes to be stylish. You need a closet full of pieces that you truly love. You see, Barbie doesn't buy clothes on impulse. I invest in pieces that reflect my personality, that can be worn in multiple ways, and that will last for seasons to come. Quality over quantity. That's the first rule. When you buy fewer items, you give each piece the love and attention it deserves. And guess what? Those pieces will last longer, and you'll wear them more. That's how you build a sustainable wardrobe. So, before you click Add to Cart, ask yourself, is this something I'm truly in love with? Is it something I can wear for years to come, in different seasons with different styles? Don't just buy because it's cheap or trendy. Buy because it aligns with who you are and what you stand for. Choose timeless pieces. Do you want to know what Barbie's secret to a fabulous, sustainable wardrobe is? It's that I focus on timeless pieces that never go out of style. Sure, I love the occasional bold color or trend, but I've learned that investing in classic pieces is the key to building a wardrobe that lasts. A great blazer, a little black dress, perfectly fitting jeans. These are the pieces that never go out of style. When you choose timeless items, you're not just dressing for today. You're dressing for tomorrow, and the day after that, and the year after that. You're investing in your future. And just like any great investment, the return is incredible. You get to wear your favorite pieces over and over again, season after season. Don't forget to care for your clothes. This is where a lot of people go wrong. They buy the pieces, but then they forget that clothes need care to last. Barbie's wardrobe isn't just full of fabulous outfits, it's full of outfits that are well taken care of. Wash them properly. Store them correctly. Take them to a tailor when they need a little tweak. These are the things that will extend the life of your clothes, making them last much longer. And don't get me started on the importance of mending and repairing. When something goes wrong, Barbie doesn't just throw it out. She fixes it. Whether it's sewing a button back on, patching up a small tear, or getting a hem adjusted, small repairs go a long way. The more you care for your clothes, the more they'll care for you. Trust me, this will not only save you money, but it'll help reduce waste too. Embrace secondhand shopping. Listen closely, because this is a game changer. Barbie loves a good shopping spree. But I'm here to tell you that some of the best finds can come from secondhand stores. Vintage fashion is not just a trend, it's a sustainable choice. By buying secondhand, you're giving new life to items that may otherwise be discarded. So next time you're looking for that perfect outfit, consider browsing thrift stores or online secondhand platforms. You never know what hidden gems you might find. Plus, secondhand shopping allows you to wear one-of-a-kind pieces that no one else will have. You're not just being sustainable, you're making a statement. Recycle and repurpose. Barbie has learned the art of repurposing and upcycling. Just because a piece doesn't serve its original purpose anymore, doesn't mean it's destined for the trash. Turn an old dress into a skirt. Repurpose your favorite t-shirt into a new top. Take a piece of jewelry that's broken and turn it into something even better. Be creative. Be resourceful. The possibilities are endless when you start to think outside the box. And guess what? Every time you give a piece of clothing new life, you're contributing to a sustainable cycle. Instead of adding to the growing piles of fast fashion waste, you're making something old new again. Now that's what I call fashion magic. Rule number 6. Support ethical brands. Now, let's talk about the brands you support. You vote with your wallet. Every time you purchase something, you're casting a vote for the kind of world you want to live in. And when you choose to shop with ethical brands, you're supporting practices that value people and the planet. Barbie always opts for brands that are transparent about their sourcing, their labor practices, and their environmental impact. Ethical fashion is the future. Choose brands that prioritize sustainability, that use eco-friendly materials, and that work to reduce their carbon footprint. When you buy from these brands, you're not just buying clothes. You're investing in a better world. Embrace slow fashion. I know we live in a fast-paced world where everything is constantly changing, but let me tell you something. Fashion doesn't have to be fast. Slow fashion is the antidote to the never-ending cycle of trends and waste. It's about quality over quantity, style over speed. Slow fashion means choosing well-made pieces that you can cherish for years to come. It's about being patient, not rushing to buy the latest trend. When you embrace slow fashion, you're allowing yourself to buy thoughtfully, wear thoughtfully, and live thoughtfully. Educate yourself and others. The power of sustainable fashion is in education. Barbie doesn't just keep this knowledge to herself. No. I share it with everyone around me. I talk about the importance of sustainability, why it matters, and how everyone can make a difference. The more people understand the impact of their choices, the more change we can create. So, friends, I challenge you to not only learn about sustainable fashion, but to share that knowledge. Talk to your friends, your family, and your followers. The more we spread the word, the bigger the impact. And trust me, together, we can make the world a better place, one outfit at a time. Fashion is about you. Finally, I want to remind you of something incredibly important. Fashion is about you. It's not about what others think. It's about how you feel in your clothes. It's about expressing your personality, your individuality, and your style. Fashion is an extension of who you are, not who you think you should be. When you embrace sustainable fashion, you embrace a life where you're not only taking care of yourself, but also taking care of the world around you. You are a part of something bigger. You are a part of the change. So, friends, are you ready to step into a new era of fashion? A world where your choices make a difference. A world where style, sustainability, and self-expression go hand in hand. The power is in your hands. The world is waiting for you to make your mark. Until next time, my stylish and conscious friends, let's make the world a better place, one outfit at a time.